Hi, today I'll be showing you how to use the Peer P2P on-ramp to get access to shielded Zcash, avoiding any centralized exchanges. So I've installed the Peer app and I'm going to be making a purchase of ZEC. So I click Buy ZEC, I select the amount, and to do that I'll need to make a fiat payment using Revolut to my counterparty. So it's preparing the order and it's telling me how the payment works. And so it provides me with my counterparty details to send the fiat payment to. So I've copied the recipient details and I will need to authenticate both on Peer and to access Revolut before I can make that payment. Okay, that's the payment made, and inside Peer, it's generating a ZK proof that my fiat payment was made and was successful. And so at this point, it's depositing USDC into my Peer account, which will then be swapped for Zcash. Okay, so there you can see my account has a balance, and I'm taking a scroll through Peer. So I'm now in my ZEC account and you can see the deposit address, which is transparent. And so I'm going to withdraw. So I select the full amount, and to withdraw, you need to provide a transparent address to Peer. So using Zodl, I select the Receive tab and copy my transparent address. Once I have that, I paste it in. And just to note, this withdrawal took some time before it completed. There we have it, ZEC on the way. And so it will soon be received to your self-custodied wallet. And just remember to enable Tor. And now we have received the transparent ZEC. The final thing we'll have to do is just to click the shield button.